Welcome to our guide on transforming your home with the perfect blend of classic and contemporary styles. Today, we'll walk you through the top 10 must-haves for a stunning transitional interior design. Transitional interiors blend traditional and modern elements seamlessly, offering endless design possibilities that focus on luxury and comfort, making it a timeless favorite since its emergence in the 1950s. Let's explore the key components necessary for creating a stunning transitional interior design with these essential 10 tips. Start with a neutral palette of grays, sands, and whites to create a timeless foundation. Adding bold colors like midnight blue or charcoal can bring a modern edge. Brighten your space with colorful curtains, pillows, and decor pieces. Vibrant bedding or reupholstered furniture can also add personality. Incorporate plenty of cushions with contemporary prints to add comfort and style. This maximalist touch is perfect for transitional living rooms. Combine traditional and contemporary furniture for a cohesive look. Streamlined pieces with classic elements work beautifully in transitional spaces. Transitional design offers a perfect mix of classic and modern elements, making your home both stylish and comfortable. Subscribe to our channel for more inspiring interior design ideas and stay updated with our latest videos. Choose contemporary lighting fixtures like chandeliers or molecular lights to make a statement. These pieces can dramatically transform your room. Integrate metallic elements like gold, bronze, or copper through lighting, tables, and accessories. Mixing metals can add a trendy, contemporary feel. Choose neutral-colored rugs to add texture and luxury underfoot. Traditional woven or knotted carpets can also introduce patterns and interest. Highlight a traditional piece of furniture or decor to add character. A dresser, mirror, or table can become a room's focal point. Select contemporary art to create a striking focal point. Keep the approach minimalist to avoid overwhelming the space. Incorporate cherished wood furniture to ground your space. Pieces like a large dining table or a dresser add warmth and craftsmanship. Love the blend of classic and modern in transitional design? Discover which style suits you best by taking our fun quiz. Click the link in the description and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting interior design tips and tricks.